Chachalacas, welcome to 2026. Today's gonna be my first workout of 2026. It is January 3rd and I'm going to Bandas and Pilates con Banda, something like that. So let's get ready. I gotta do my hair. Let's get ready to go. I don't know if I want to wear a romper, like the one piece, or I want to wear leggings and a bra, because I'm going to wear my Pilates socks, and then I'm also going to wear my botas, so I don't know what will look cuter. But anyways, let's get ready. I got to dry my hair, and I got exactly 35 minutes before my sister-in-law comes pick me up because we're going together. All right, let's go. Una de mis favoritas. ¡Ay, ay, ay! ¡Qué tonto yo! Ahora me doy cuenta que no se inventa las cosas que quiero. My hat don't even match and it's like bigger than my head. It's like way bigger. It matched my other boots, but I want to wear the black one. How cute. That's cute. Yeah. I have my sandals.
So I'm very jealous that I'm not in your girl's position, being able to enjoy it, but I hope you guys have so much fun. We're gonna start with Pilates, then we're gonna move on to the vendors, and then there's more surprises, but have so much fun. And again, thank you so much for being here, and I love y'all.
We're gonna keep going here for another 6. And in. Out. We're gonna go into some push-ups next. So, for your push-ups, you're gonna start down. Hold your push-up low. Give me 5. 4. We're gonna do some curtsy lunges next. So, left leg. We're gonna extend our right leg up. And last one, bring everything down. Rest it down, take a little. 4.
No, si quieres hablar ahora.
Taller. There. Put it right here. Thank you. Pilates and Banda, and my husband was gonna go on a boys' night. So I'm doing my little thing I bought off this book. I'm sorry to the author. I do apologize, but I did not have $60 to spend on the actual book. I looked it up on Amazon and there was this little booklet. It's really cheap. It's like printed on crappy paper or whatever. But I believe it's the same concept. So I'm reading my Bible, doing my Bible study, and drinking some tea. Who am I? Literally tea. It's purple, so it reminds me of wine, right? I don't know who I am, but I am a different version of myself, I think. I spent New Year's Eve to call in the new year in bed with my husband and my children. And honestly, it has been the best New Year's ever. We did go to dinner to my sister-in-law's. We had steak, nice dinner. But we came home right on time before we called in the new year. And it was perfect. It was just amazing. And then New Year's Day, I spent all day in bed. So yes, I've been in bed. All day in bed. And we watched the Rose Parade 2 times this year. Normally we skip it. Normally we wake up and we're hungover, and by the time we turn on the TV, it already happened or whatever. So we never get a chance to actually watch it. And this year, we did. Made some coffee, laid in bed. My kids were still asleep because they stayed up playing. One was playing, the other one was watching Stranger Things, of course. And then they stayed up till like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning. But me and my husband, we called in the new year. We told them they gotta go to their rooms to do their own thing. And literally knocked out, woke up late, literally maybe around 7:30 or 8, which is late because we're normally at work by 6. So 7:30 or 8 is nice for us. And then the whole entire day we did not get up, only to eat and go to the restroom, drink water. And today has been the first day that I got exercise in, and you guys are seeing it now. And this is what I'm doing on my first Saturday of the year. I am sitting laying on my bed. I got this book that I saw really good things about, and whoever designed it, thank you for doing that. You're the best. And I'm sorry that I bought the cheap version off of Amazon, but I had already invested money in a planner, so I did not have funds to pay another $60 for a book. Hello, chachalakas. Where have I been? You just saw I went to Pilates Banda, which was really fun. It was different. So we did Pilates and we did some Banda. Then there was vendors on site, and I was recognized. Somebody recognized me, but she didn't say hi because she wasn't sure if it was me or not. So if you do see me, say hi to me. I'm awkward in public. I think I'm not a people's person, so it's really hard for me to interact with people, but I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone. Anywho, so for my 2026 goals, I have for my 2026 goals, I'm looking forward to continue to go to the gym more, run at least 2 or 3 times a week, even if I'm not training, and As far as family, I'm looking forward to being more present in the moment. I'm also making sure that I call people on their birthdays to make them feel special, to remind them that I am thinking of them, even though sometimes I'm thinking about them but I can't call or don't call. To be more in the moment with my family, because I've been MIA for the last 2 years, even though I've been going to events and I've been present. I feel like mentally sometimes I'm not there, or I'm thinking something else. Aside from that, I am also looking more forward to focusing more on God. Not necessarily like 100% on when to be perfect or whatever, but following more what God would like us to do, or how He would want us to act. And part of that for me is going to be my bad habit of saying bad words. I'm catching myself a little bit more to stop that. And aside from that, I don't have any life-changing goals, if that would be a thing. I am in a transition currently. This started before the year ended. I started going back to therapy, and I'm taking my medication now to control myself. So part of my growth is coming from that, because now I know my triggers, how to react. I know how to speak to my husband and my children when I'm not in an okay mood, or I'm about to go in through a phase of depression. So I believe that therapy is helping me as far as that. But this is not supposed to be a sad video. It's supposed to be a motivational video. So if you feel like you need help with your mental health, do get help. Do go to therapy. And if you're scared to take the medication, I'm right there with you. Because for the longest time, I've refused to take medication. And up to recently, I decided, okay, I have to do it because I can't control it no more. As you guys know, the gym and running is my way out. It's my exit. It's my motive to just keep going. It helps me focus. It helps me feel relief. It helps me release the stress that I'm feeling. But what about those days that I can't go to the gym? What about those days that are just hard? So yeah, I'm getting the help that I need, and I hope that you are too, if you do need help. But anyways, those are the 2026 goals. Drink more water, run more, be more present, put God first, and make memories. Make memories, because that's all we get at the end of the day. When someone's gone, or when we are gone, we are all memories. So I didn't want to make this video sad, but I hope that I could stay consistent with my videos, and that you guys continue to watch me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, another one of my goals for this year is to stop doing this. The millennial pose out. Okay. Bye.